Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of This versus That. As you can see, I am pretty geared out today. I have me a camera in my hand, I have a camera on my head, and I'm talking to a camera right now. But what I really wanted to do was talk about the Zhiyun Weebill S today. I had about a couple of weeks now to play with it, and I can definitely tell you it is a great gimbal. But let's go ahead and break this thing down, and then I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to balance it, how easy it is to set up with my heaviest setup. This is the a7iii with the 16 to 35 millimeter on here. This is my heaviest setup. And then we're going to do the usual, which is a test run. We're going to stress test this thing, show you guys how powerful the motor is. I think you guys already know, but we're going to do it anyway. So let's quickly do this so I can get this thing off my head. Roll the intro. And so guys, here it is, the Zhiyun Weebill S. What we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and set this thing up. I want to show you guys some test footage that I'll be doing with this. And also I'm going to show you guys some of the hardest move that I do on here, just so that we can see if we can try to stress this gimbal out. The one thing I didn't notice though is that all the locking mechanism, it's all updated. I did have a few problems with the Weebill Lab, which is the earlier model of this, where it just automatically, like, the switch got locked somehow right over here, and so it was loose, so it kept locking on me all the time. So it looks like they are aware of that, so they updated this right here, which is awesome. It looks like it's pretty sturdy now. We will see the test of time, I guess. But yeah, everything else looks pretty identical. The battery is all the same. The new logo is updated. Got the new nice red now. I mean, you see the red here. That's pretty cool. But everything else looks pretty much the same. All the functional stuff are all the same. So there is some new levers that they're using, which is great because I don't want to have to screw stuff in. These are just like a one quick lever where you lock things in. I like that a lot. And so yeah, on the surface it looks like everything is the same. So let's go ahead and set this thing up, and then we're gonna do a test run on this. Yeah, let's go. Alright, so the mini tripod is pretty much the same. They gave us the same mini tripod. Now the one thing I did notice the mini tripod is that these things will wear out on you. So then towards probably about, I noticed that about six months in, this thing starts to get real flimsy. It doesn't hold up like this anymore. It just falls flat. So just an FYI, you guys might want to invest in another mini tripod that you see out there. So keep an eye out for it. But I really like these tripods. It's just the problem is that it gets flimsy. We will see with this updated model. I'm not sure if they updated this because it looks like the same. So just for you guys today, instead of mounting the camera on a tripod or something like that, I'm going to use one of these GoPro. And let's see if we can get some cool shots for you. All right, I think I am ready to go. What do you guys think, huh? Get some POV of the POV shot, right? Let's do it. Alright guys, so I hope you guys like that. That entire thing was shot on the Weebill S along with the a7 III, 16mm, the whole 9 yard. So, if you like it, hit like. If you don't, please hit the dislike button twice. And make sure you subscribe to us because I like to wear things like this on my head. And I want to see you guys in the next episode. Bye-bye.